Hey, what's up guys? This is Randy back with another video. I wanted to do a quick one here because I saw a huge sale and I wanted to share it with you. There's a few big name designer colognes, fragrances that are going on a big sale right now, 50% off at least. One of them is one of my winter time favorites. It's great for the cold. It is Spicebomb Infrared. This is the 1.7 ounce. The 3.4 ounce right now is going for it's normally $130. It's going for $79. Then you have one of the easiest scents to wear, Yves Saint Laurent Y EDT. I know the EDP's out, but the EDT is still an absolute banger. It's easy to wear, fresh, clean, out of the shower. You can wear it to work. You can wear it on a date. It's a really good scent. And the 3.4 ounce is normally $100, $101, and it's going for $59, which is huge. I don't have the bottle with me right now, but the next one is probably the best sale. It is a 200 milliliter bottle of the Armani Code Absolu, which is another wintertime banger. I can wear it pretty much any season, but it's advertised as a cold weather, but it is a vanilla banger. It is one of the best scents that I've tried from the Armani Code line. That or Profumo go hand in hand with me, but the 200 milliliter, the 6.7 ounce, I believe, is normally $200 and it's going for $101, all on Macys.com. And I believe it's only for a few days. I'm not 100% sure. Macys is known to pick them up, take them down as quick as they put them on there. So there's also Polo Blue Gold Edition and a few other polos that are on there that are going for 50% off as well. So you guys should definitely check them out, because for the EDT, I mean, I still wear that to this day, even though I have the EDP. I wear the EDT more when I get out of the shower, if I go to the gym. It's another great gym fragrance. Then Spicebomb Spicebomb Infrared, I'm sorry, is the best to me from the line. Spicebomb is just, it's the original one is not for me anymore. Spicebomb Extreme was too much. I wore it for a while, but I didn't like it anymore. But this is just a different take on it, and it's so much different than everything else that I've tried from their line. Pretty much anything else in the designer community, because when you first spray it, people say you get like a big red feel to it. But to me, it's not like that. You do get, it's like a fresh cinnamon, a fresh vanilla, and then you get this like a fruit accord at the top. And then whenever it's drying down, it has that Spicebomb body in there, but it has a lot better of a scent. And then also the sillage is amazing. It has an amazing, absolutely amazing, especially in the cold. It cuts through the cold so much that my wife, 5-6 feet away from me, tells me, oh my God, what is that? It smells so amazing. So you guys should go pick it up, because right now for the 3.4 ounce going for that price, I mean, you won't find it better on eBay. So yeah, go ahead and pick it up. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. It's nothing for me, just figured it's easier for you guys to click on it. I'll give you guys just the basic link that takes you to all of the sales right now. So hopefully it helps. If you do like my video, like and subscribe. I'm new, so trying my best here. So good luck.